This is how easy fleet demos can be.
Pack, travel and demo in one day. So it's pretty easy.
First of all, we unpack the robot.
You power up all the components of the demo kit.
We plug in the Wi-Fi router. We record a new map. We create the workflow, and then you're ready to go.
Everything is in one box, and we have no dependencies.
We have a pre-configured system, and if necessary, we have remote software support.
And that enables us to actually deliver demos at scale. Typically, the demo kit is used at sales shows, exhibitions, potential customer sites. Normally, there is not much time to set them up. We certainly also look at costs and time. Especially, we want to allocate highly skilled people in projects and not in demos. My biggest highlight is that you pack, travel and demo within one day, and you get practical feedback with customers and you build a lot of trust. In our demos, you experience the complete user journey of the product, from layout planning to project operations, covering a user journey typically required in projects for autonomous mobile robots.
This enables us to test different customer situations and handover scenarios. It is important to have hands-on experience with the robot instead of just reading specifications. So you never know what to expect. You have a lot of different challenges to robotics, like flooring or mixed traffic, and this is exactly why we do this.